Begin in tabletop position. We'll take the hands out, heels together, knees wide. Sit back into child's pose and let the head rest towards the floor. Bring your thumb and index finger together and reach the fingers forward as you pull your hips back. We'll hold here for a few breaths, settling into the floor, letting the lower back soften down. Inhale, widen to your ribs. Exhale, hips relax. Extend the arms a little more. We'll look forward and then we'll come back up, tucking the toes under. Bring the hands back in. We're going to do a few of the cat-cow. Round the back and then arching into cow position, lifting the chin forward. Again, exhale, round here, push into the hands, and as you exhale, arch the back, lift chest forward through the shoulders. Inhale, round. Tuck the toes under to protect your knee. Warming up our spine. We'll step the hands a little more forward now. Setting it up, we're going to lift forward and start to circle to the left. Working through the shoulders and the hips, warming it up here. And then you can reverse, going the other way, circling it. Another few times here. Good. Release it. Take the hands forward once again. Lift off your knees, and we'll come back in downward dog. Reach high on the heels and then try to pull the heels down towards the floor. Lift your tailbone. Press strongly into the index finger and thumb. Reach the crown of the head forward and down towards the mat. Don't let your tailbone tuck under. You can always bend your knees more, lift the heels up more to have the spine get into proper position. Now coming forward, we'll hold plank position, a little core activation here. Contract the front of the thighs, lift them away from the floor. Tense up the arms, press firmly into your palms. Neck is long. Keep the breath steady. Breathe wide into the rib cage. As you exhale, hug your belly to the back. And then we'll press back, inhale the leg up, point the toe, open the hip, bend the knee, flex the foot. We'll move through a little flow here. So inhale, extend, exhale, flex through the knees. Inhale, reach, come off the heel, point the toe. Exhale, flex, press through that supporting leg. Inhale, lift. Exhale, flex. Inhale, lift here. And then we'll sweep that leg right through. Windmill your arms up as you set the feet coming into Warrior Two. We'll flip the palms upright and reach it up overhead. Gaze follows the hands. Sink deeper into your hips. Reach the fingertips up to the ceiling and the thumbs back. Hold here, strong core. Solid through the feet. Lengthen the spine. Inhale, widen here, and then we'll take the palms flat. We'll extend our front leg. We'll reach the fingertips forward and coming into triangle position. Feel free to put a block under the lower hand. Little core, inhale, reach up. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, reach. Exhale, lower. Inhale, reach. Strong legs, press firmly into the feet. Exhale, lower. Inhale, reach. Exhale, lower. Look down, we'll bend back into that leg, hands plant, and then we will step it back. Take a breath, lower into chaturanga, and we'll do baby cobra. Press up, lower it down, and then we'll push back through plank all the way to downward dog, lifting the other leg up, bending, coming into that sequence where you lengthen and flex the knee. Inhale, point the toe, lengthen, come high on the ball of the foot. Exhale, flex, heel to behind. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, flex. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, flex. And then taking an inhale, we'll sweep that leg through. Solid through your feet. Arms come up, windmill, long arms, flip the palms up, and then we'll start to bring the hands, palms together, press the thumbs together and fingertips, gaze upward. Sink deeper into the hips. Keep the breath flowing. Inhale, widen to your rib cage. Exhale, belly to back. Go a little deeper, and then we'll open it up, flip the palms back. We're going to extend the front leg, hips shift back, torso forward into triangle on the other side. Lengthen and lower. Inhale, keep the torso long. Exhale, lower it. Inhale, up. Exhale, lower. Inhale, up. And exhale, lower. Bend into that front leg, plant the hands, and then we'll step back again. Hug the elbows, close the ribs, baby cobra or upward dog if you like. Lower it down, and then exhale, press into the palms, push it all the way back. Settle in. Plant the heels to the floor if you can do it. Hold here. And then we'll look forward, step forward. We're going to extend the legs out in front. Sitting tall here. Strong core. Reach it up, inhale. And then as you exhale, hinge forward from the hips, lower it down. Hands to floor if you can. We're going to round, and then we're going to extend. Lengthen your arms. Exhale, lower everything. Relax forehead. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Shoulders draw away from the ears. Exhale here. Try to pull the toes towards the shins. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, lower, soften, relax. Roll it up. Long spine. We're going to bring both feet in, coming into the Eldoa for your L4-5 segment of the spine. Feet are flexed, legs at 90. We're going to lengthen our spine and externally rotate the arms, lift them both up by the ears. Extend your wrists and press the palms to the ceiling as you root the pelvis into the floor. We're trying to create a bit of space in that L4-5 vertebral joint here. And as we create more space in that joint, the disc between the vertebrae can become better hydrated. We're going to hold here a little longer. gaze at the cheekbones or between the heels. Try to press your knees open a little more. Keep your breath flowing. See if you can lengthen even more through your spine. Stay with it. Then softly, slowly come out of it. Knees come together. Extend the legs out. Keep a little bend in the knees. We're going to come into a boat position. Option to have the hands down, grounded. Or you lift up, palms up. Maybe extend the legs. Again, try not to collapse in your lower back. Keep the length you had in that pose that we just did. Stay with it. Lift your collarbone. And we will slowly, carefully come out of the position into butterfly, round the spine, lower it down. Feel free to take a block under the forehead for support as we rest here. On your next exhale, start to roll out of the pose. Extend the legs out in front, and we'll come down all the way into Savasana, allowing yourself to be fully supported on the floor. Palms are up, hips are relaxed. Settle back into your breath here. Scan the body for any remaining tension. With every exhale, you can let the last bits of tightness release. Coming in to breathe through your nose on the inhale, and as you exhale through the mouth or nose. Staying here as long as you like. Thank you for joining me, everybody.